You've seen them in trail mix, maybe scoop them out of a pumpkin. But what if I told you these tiny seeds could help you sleep better, balance your hormones, strengthen your heart, and even reduce inflammation, all in 1 tablespoon a day? Modern research now confirms pumpkin seeds are loaded with magnesium, zinc, plant-based omega-3s, antioxidants, and fiber, giving them benefits that go far beyond a casual snack. The problem, most people just eat them roasted and miss out on the deeper benefits because they don't know how to time them, prep them, or pair them correctly. In this video, you'll discover 15 powerful pumpkin seed benefits, including how this nutrient-dense super seed supports deep sleep, prostate health, heart function, bone strength, bladder control, and even shows anti-cancer potential. You'll also learn why it's considered nature's multivitamin, how to prepare it properly, when to eat it for maximum results, who should avoid it, and the easiest ways to add it to your daily routine. Comment below if you're ready to add pumpkin seeds to your daily health arsenal, or share your experience if you've already discovered the power of this tiny superfood. Your tip might help someone else get started. Let's start with the reason pumpkin seeds are called nature's multivitamin and how just 1 ounce a day could change your sleep, digestion, and energy levels. 15 benefits of pumpkin seeds. Number 1, nutritional powerhouse. Pumpkin seeds pack an impressive nutritional punch that few foods can match. Just 1 ounce, about 28 gr, delivers 158 calories, 7 gr of complete plant protein, and 13 gr of heart-healthy fats. What makes these seeds exceptional is their mineral profile. They're one of the richest plant sources of magnesium, with 1 serving providing nearly 40% of your daily needs. They're also loaded with zinc, iron, phosphorus, copper, and potassium. Research from the Journal. Agricultural and Food Chemistry shows pumpkin seeds contain powerful antioxidants, including tocopherols, vitamin E, carotenoids, and phenolic compounds that fight oxidative stress. Their fat profile includes both omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in beneficial ratios. Dr. Andrew Well notes, pumpkin seeds represent one of nature's most perfect packages. They deliver protein, healthy fats, fiber, and numerous micronutrients in a shelf-stable, portable form. The most practical way to harness these nutrients is to incorporate 1 tablespoon into your daily routine, sprinkled on salads, blended into smoothies, or eaten as a mid-afternoon snack when energy typically dips. How can you tell if you're experiencing a magnesium deficiency that pumpkin seeds might help address? Now let's explore how these nutritional properties translate into something many of us struggle with: getting a good night's sleep. Number, sleep support. 2, sleep support. Tossing and turning at night might become a thing of the past with regular pumpkin seed consumption. These small powerhouses contain a sleep-promoting trifecta, tryptophan, magnesium, and zinc, nutrients scientifically proven to improve sleep quality. Tryptophan serves as a precursor to serotonin, which then converts to melatonin, your body's primary sleep-regulating hormone. Meanwhile, magnesium activates the parasympathetic nervous system and binds to GABA receptors in the brain, producing a calming effect similar to some sleep medications, but without side effects. A 2021 pilot study in the Journal of Sleep Research found that participants who consumed a magnesium-rich snack, including pumpkin seeds, before bed, experienced significantly faster sleep onset and improved sleep efficiency compared to controls. For optimal sleep benefits, timing matters. Eat 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds 1 to 2 hours before bedtime, ideally paired with a small piece of fruit. The carbohydrates help transport tryptophan across the blood-brain barrier, enhancing its sleep-promoting effects. Now, let's look at a benefit specifically important for men, though women may want to pay attention for the men in their lives. Supports prostate and male health. Number 3, supports prostate and male health. Men over 40 pay special attention. Pumpkin seeds might be your prostate's best ally. These unassuming seeds contain specific compounds that target prostate health and support male reproductive function. The primary drivers of these benefits are zinc and plant compounds called phytosterols, particularly beta-sitosterol. Together, they help reduce symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, a condition affecting over 50% of men by age 60. Zinc plays a crucial role in prostate cell function and is found in higher concentrations in the prostate than any other body tissue. Meanwhile, Phytosterols help inhibit 5-alpha reductase, an enzyme that converts testosterone to DHT, the hormone primarily responsible for prostate enlargement. A 2014 randomized controlled trial published in the Journal of Medicinal Food that men taking pumpkin seed oil extract experienced a 40% improvement in urinary function and flow, and a 30% reduction in nighttime urination compared to placebo. For prostate support, consuming just 1 to 2 tablespoons daily provides the zinc and phytosterols needed. Some men noticed reduced nighttime bathroom trips within 3 to 4 weeks. Number 4, improves bladder and kidney function. Bladder control issues and frequent urinary tract problems affect millions regardless of gender or age. Pumpkin seeds offer natural support for these often embarrassing and uncomfortable conditions. The bladder and kidney benefits derive primarily from a combination of antioxidants, omega-3, fatty acids, and betaol. This nutrient profile helps strengthen the detrusor muscles of the bladder wall while reducing inflammation throughout the urinary tract. A 2018 review analyzed 16 clinical studies and found that pumpkin seed extracts significantly reduced symptoms of overactive bladder and improved quality of life scores. Particularly impressive results were seen in postmenopausal women. For kidney health, the high magnesium content helps prevent calcium oxalate stone formation, the most common type of kidney stone. The mild diuretic effect also promotes regular flushing of the urinary tract. The most effective approach for bladder and kidney support is consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw unsalted pumpkin seeds daily, preferably in the morning with plenty of water. What changes should you expect in your urinary habits after adding pumpkin seeds to your diet for 1 month? Now let's explore how these tiny seeds can help stabilize something that affects virtually every cell in your body, your blood sugar levels. Number 5 regulates blood sugar. Blood sugar management extends far beyond those with diabetes. It affects energy levels, mood, weight management, and long-term health for everyone. Pumpkin seeds provide multiple mechanisms to help maintain steady glucose levels. These benefits begin with their impressive magnesium content. This essential mineral plays a critical role in insulin function, helping your cells respond properly to insulin signals. Additionally, the seed's fiber content slows carbohydrate digestion and absorption, preventing rapid blood sugar spikes. A 2019 meta-analysis reviewed 34 clinical trials and found that magnesium supplementation significantly improved insulin sensitivity and fasting glucose levels. For those with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, a 12-week trial found that participants consuming pumpkin seed powder daily showed an 8% reduction in fasting blood sugar. The optimal strategy for blood sugar regulation is spreading your consumption throughout the day. Try a teaspoon with breakfast, another mid-afternoon, and perhaps a third before exercise. Number 6, enhances bone strength, and relieves anxiety. It might seem surprising that the same seed can benefit both your bones and your brain, but pumpkin seed's rich magnesium content creates this dual advantage. Both systems rely heavily on this often overlooked mineral. For bone health, magnesium works synergistically with calcium and vitamin D. For neurological health, magnesium regulates neurotransmitter release and binds to calming GABA receptors in the brain. This explains why magnesium deficiency often manifests as increased tension, anxiety, and even muscle cramps. Research demonstrated that maintaining optimal magnesium levels was associated with a 27% lower risk of fractures in a large cohort study. Meanwhile, a clinical trial found that magnesium supplementation reduced mild to moderate anxiety symptoms, comparable to some anti-anxiety medications, but without side effects. Daily consumption of just 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds can significantly contribute to your magnesium intake. Many people report noticing reduced muscle tension within just 1 to 2 weeks. Number 7, boosts immunity and reduces inflammation. Your immune system functions as a complex network requiring specific nutrients to operate optimally. Pumpkin seeds provide several key components that both strengthen immune response and help moderate excessive inflammation. The immune-enhancing properties stem primarily from their exceptional zinc content. 1 ounce provides about 20% of your daily zinc needs. Critical for immune cell development and function, the anti-inflammatory benefits work through Multiple complementary mechanisms, including antioxidants like vitamin E and unique plant compounds called cucurbitacins. A 2021 review examined how pumpkin seed compounds modulate inflammatory pathways. Researchers found that regular consumption helps suppress pro-inflammatory cytokines while supporting resolution pathways for autoimmune conditions. Specifically, a 2020 study demonstrated that the fatty acid profile in pumpkin seeds helped restore immune balance in animal models of autoimmunity. To maximize immune benefits, aim for consistent daily consumption rather than occasional large amounts. During high-risk periods like cold and flu season, you might increase intake to 2 tablespoons daily. Number 8 improves heart health and lowers cholesterol. Pumpkin seeds support cardiovascular health through multiple mechanisms. Their phytools compete with cholesterol for absorption, effectively lowering blood levels. Their magnesium and potassium content supports healthy blood pressure, while L-arginine increases nitric oxide production for better circulation. A meta-analysis found that consuming 40 grams of mixed seeds daily, including pumpkin seeds, was associated with a 5% reduction in LDL cholesterol and improved vascular function. For blood pressure specifically, a 2020 study showed participants consuming pumpkin seed oil for 12 weeks experienced an average reduction of 7 points in systolic blood pressure. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons daily, preferably in the morning or midday, can contribute significantly to your cardiovascular protection strategy. Results typically become noticeable after 8 to 12 weeks of regular consumption. Number 9, anti-cancer properties, anti-cancer properties. Emerging research suggests pumpkin seeds contain multiple compounds with anti-cancer potential. Their lignans, vitamin E, and cucurbitacins may help protect DNA from mutation, regulate cell growth, and promote apoptosis in damaged cells. Research examined pumpkin seed extract's effects on prostate cancer cells and found it significantly inhibited their growth. Another study found that women with the highest dietary intake of linens had a 40% lower risk of breast cancer compared to those with the lowest intake. For colorectal cancer, a 2022 review highlighted how pumpkin seed compounds help maintain healthy gut microbiota, reduce inflammation, and prevent DNA damage in colon cells, 3 critical factors in cancer prevention. How might you incorporate pumpkin seeds into your diet if you're concerned about cancer prevention or are undergoing treatment? Adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds to your daily diet represents a reasonable strategy as part of a comprehensive cancer prevention approach. Number 10 supports hormonal balance in menopause. Women experiencing menopause and menopause may find particular benefit in pumpkin seeds' hormone balancing properties. These seeds contain lignans that weakly mimic estrogen in the body, potentially helping moderate both high and low estrogen states. Beyond phytoestrogens, pumpkin seeds' high zinc and magnesium content directly supports healthy hormone production. A 2018 clinical trial found that menopausal women consuming pumpkin seed oil experienced a 42% reduction in hot flash frequency and severity compared to the control group after just 6 weeks. For hormonal support, consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds in the morning can help stabilize hormone levels throughout the day. Many women report noticeable reduction in hot flashes, mood swings, and night sweats after 3 to 4 weeks. Helps with weight management. Number 11 helps with weight management. Despite their caloric density, pumpkin seeds can be a valuable ally in weight management due to their unique macronutrient profile. Their combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats creates a powerful satiating effect that helps control appetite and reduce cravings. The weight management benefits begin with their protein content, about 7 g per ounce. Protein has the highest thermic effect of all macronutrients, meaning your body burns more calories digesting it than carbohydrates or fats. The seed's monounsaturated fatty acids help improve mitochondrial function and fat oxidation. Research found that participants who consumed a handful of mixed seeds before meals experienced greater satiety and consumed 20% fewer calories at subsequent meals compared to controls. For weight management purposes, timing is key. Having a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds about 20 minutes before meals can help reduce overall consumption. Number 12, Promotes eye health, eye health. Vision health concerns increase dramatically after age 40. Pumpkin seeds contain specific compounds that target eye health, particularly the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin. Critical carotenoids that concentrate in the retina. These eye-specific antioxidants function as natural sunglasses within your eye, absorbing harmful blue light and neutralizing free radicals. Research found that participants with the highest dietary intake of lutein and zeaxanthin had a 43% lower risk of macular degeneration compared to those with the lowest intake. For eye health benefits, consistency matters more than quantity. Just 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds daily provides meaningful amounts of these protective nutrients. Number 13, prevents gallstones. Gallstones affect up to 15% of adults, with women at significantly higher risk than men. Pumpkin seeds contain several compounds that may help prevent these painful deposits from forming in your gallbladder. The fiber in pumpkin seeds binds to bile acids, preventing their reabsorption and promoting healthier bile composition. Meanwhile, their magnesium content helps the gallbladder contract efficiently, ensuring regular emptying that prevents bile stagnation and stone formation. Research found that higher dietary fiber intake was associated with a 30% lower risk of gallstone development. For gallstone prevention, consuming a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds with breakfast helps stimulate bile flow at the beginning of the day. Number 14, enhances hair, skin, nail health, and nail health. Beauty